Eyo, I'm in Flagstaff, Arizona. I will be preparing Korean tartare with a little bit of a twist. About 1.3 pounds of New York strip. We have some fresh cut rosemary. We have peppers. We have garlic. We have a mandarin. We have sesame seeds, pepper, sesame oil, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and some lemon. So we are gonna put it together. Smells freaking amazing. I'm gonna leave it in there for about 10 to 15 minutes just to let the juices soak in. And we are back. Here's what we got. It's been about 15 minutes. That's pretty freaking good. They say it's all about presentation, and this is probably the part that I'm gonna fuck up, because I usually fuck it up. Yep. Actually, bloop. Perfect. There you have it. That's Korean beef tartare. There is a word for it. I think it's called Yukhoe. Got some tea. I think I killed it. And there you have it, from the back of my Subaru. Korean Yukhoe, Korean beef tartare.